So we're just going to take a look at the Ohm Pocket, how it's normally set up. I set the volume down a little bit because we're going to be listening with headphones, and I want to be mindful of my ears here. So I'm going to set this right around 50. And this is how most people plug the Ohm Pocket in, with the male end of the splitter, and then you've got one side with the audio cable going into the Ohm Pocket, and then the other side, let's just get a zoom here. This side goes into my earbuds. This could be headphones or a speaker as well. You can see my little earbuds. Now you notice I'm going to put both earbuds in because on the cables when we check them, we want to make sure both the left and the right channels are working. Sometimes you have one or the other channel that can go out. Then we're just going to wiggle test this. So I'm just wiggling this splitter, and you kind of wiggle things around, see if you hear any static, see if you hear anything strange. And now I'm going to take this end out of the Ohm Pocket, and we're going to test all the way through this line of cables. So the Ohm Pocket's disconnected. I'm going to take this audio cable, put it into my player. When I pull something out, it's going to pause, so I have to hit play again. And then just wiggle. So I can hear all the way from the player, all the way through my splitter here. I'm just jiggling things around and listening to see if there's any static or any disconnection in the audio. And everything sounds good to me here. So you just kind of handle your cables as you would, maybe a little aggressively, just to see if everything is holding up, because a lot of these cable failures will be intermittent. Now, if you do hear static or disconnecting, you need to check your earbuds or your headphones or your audio cable to speaker first, just to make sure everything with that is working before you assume there's a failure. So that's why I wear the right and the left, and then check the headphones to make sure everything is clear. So the Ohm Pocket itself will last forever as long as your audio jack is good. And I'll have another video where you can check the resistance all the way through your Ohm Pocket. But for testing the cables, you just want to get a nice audio signal all the way through. Then you play your track on your player. I don't play it too loud with your headphones in. Be mindful of your ears. But yeah, once you have a path all the way through to some earphones, then you just jiggle things around and just maneuver them so that you get an audio path, and then make sure nothing's disconnected or staticky. You also might want to put like a regular music track on here. Some of the regular tracks we have are a little strange sounding, and music's easier to notice, so you can try that as well. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We'll be happy to help.